can see the wind have knocked everything all over. So I'm gonna go in here and do some work in the area here, clean up in here. Also, I'm going to go ahead and trim my hydrangea flowers, just the flower. I'm not going to prune. I'm just going to go ahead and take the flower out. The first thing I'm going to do, if you look in here, you see the Aphrodite plant is gone. So I need to replace it with something else. So I have one here. I dug out from my yard. I just put it in here. They're supposed to grow about 15 feet tall, right? I know it looks damaged. Maybe I can give it some fertilizer and see would I bounce back or not. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay? Let me get all the soil out. Okay, go ahead. Take that out. Then this then more this into my move my hanging basket away from here. It's out now. Then move this away for now. Then go ahead now and move this all together. Back in here. So conditioner in there. Okay. I'm a fertilizer in there. Take my tree and put it in right about there. Put the soil back in. Leftover garden soil you can use around here. All I need to do, water later. Okay, and this is done. And more this from here. You can tell it's that came off the farm. I said you need to buy a pruner. Until I get one, I can use my outside scissors to do work. looking good, guys. I don't worry about all this. I can break all this back. This is my cord for my lights. Okay. And this one can go right by. Now, let me clean all this up. Right there. And the bats can go back. The wind has knocked it over. Now the tree all planted. It's a place I keep all my core for Christmas. And what else I need in the area. That's it. And cover this. You can see the bird for the tree. They come here and they do they make a mess around here. So much mess here. Let's put that back there. Okay. And the basket can go back there. I will play into this soon. For now, I'm going to leave it here until I go to play into it and put it back there. So let's leave it here. So let's go ahead and clean the area now. So I come in this way to clean everything here. From here. Also, I'll go ahead and take the flower for the hydrangea off. I'm not going to prune yet. No sun or bust yet. So I can go ahead and take the flower out, okay? Nothing else. Just the flower. It's a nice evening, guys. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice and warm. I can do more tomorrow. It got cold again today. It was 68 degrees today. No, 60, right? It was. And now it's getting cold again. You can see I have my jacket on, right? That tell you it's cold. So now, you see, I can leave it the way it is. You can see, I see a bloom at the bottom. You see a leaf. You can see some bloom at the bottom. Until I see more, I get going to leave it alone. Now, here you can see, you see the king right here? If you look at the bottom here, come and see there. This rose needs to leave me alone. Okay. If you look here, this is my Hydrangea lily. See? The tall. What you do now you can go ahead at the bottom, at very bottom here. Because your bulb is in here. You have to come to see. Your ball is in here. The king, all you do, check it out. Clip it, or sometimes you can twist it around, it'll come out. Or knife, you go ahead and clip it down. Here. It should all come out. Just work it out. And see, all this. And before you know, from here, you can see a new bloom coming from the ground out. This one too, and they take it out. They take this one out. You see how tall it gets. Look a tree lily. You see? It's very tall. So they apprentice here, they love the area. Okay, so they're going to take this one out. Then put them here. You can see better. You can see how tall they are. You can see I see how some of them like out up, but I will take them down. They want this one too. I can break off. See? And this is all hollow. You see? You can go ahead and use your pruner and take that out, or you can just twist it around. It will come out. You see? This too is out. Then one more here. See a small one. It will come out by itself. See? Don't take too much to do. I need to take care of this now because it's leaning. Okay, so now they're going to clean this area here. You can see my core around here. I will take care of this soon. Also, you can see behind you here, it's a little too that grew here too. I can move this too. This too. The trash. Okay, that thing all around here. So, okay, I can clean up. I'm going to keep the basket to play into. That's how you save money, guys. Keep your basket, you can make your own, right? Also, I'm going to keep the saw too. Okay. Right in here. Okay, this can go. Okay, one more here. You got oil and your plants are in here. I take the saw, take the plant out, the dead plant out. And keep the saw. Keep the saw. Okay. Get one more here. That's why you save money, guys. Because this basket not cheap. If you can hold on to the basket, and then put your own flour in, that's how you save money. I can clean it up more. And this one, my command center for my Christmas lights. Now it's time to take it down. Okay. I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. I'm not sure. Okay, so now put it away. So now I can go ahead and move the color and put it away. Okay. Now, also guys, what I do for my hydrangea, when I clean my grill fire pit from the firewood I keep, I put this around my hydrangea plant. So I go ahead and just scratch the surface and put it around my hydrangea and cover it back again. So I go ahead, swing around it, and put my clothes all around. Now, and put some, cover it. And that's it. So guys, we are all done in the area here today. Well, I will come back and do more work in the area. Okay guys, thank you guys. Bye-bye, bye-bye. I'll take the lights down. But today I will. So, and I can wait to plant into this basket. You can see something growing in there too. Okay, that's here the place in each area. So remember, this is a cement that turn hard. I can move that says there. One day I'll get my son or my husband to take that out. I can't lift that, too heavy for me. It may need two people to move that. So we are in a niche area. So you can see where I put all the hanging basket I will plant into. I kept all the soil in there. It's a good way to save money too, guys. Here, the hydrangea look a lot better. What I just took the flower out. I didn't prune. Mainly because for hydrangea, it's better for you to see the buds before you prune. This way, you know exactly where to prune and not just cutting everything down. So you can see in the area I can plant soon. It's a mess in the area. Don't worry, that a job I had to do. So that look back from here, my solar light that coming on. So the area looking a lot better. It look like you're in the jungle, going someplace, right? But I know it's a small job, but every day you do something, it's better than waiting to do everything at one time. So see my lights coming on. I just love these solar lights. They give you so much ambience. Cute one here and there. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.